Hi everyone, today I'll show you a step-by-step guide based on the video on how to connect and use your Aliexpress with TikTok Shop for dropshipping. So let's get started. First, create a seller account. Make sure you have a TikTok Shop seller account, a TikTok Seller Center, then Aliexpress account, then just go to aliexpress.com. Then complete all the identity verification and store it up to set up the both platforms. Then here install a dropshipping integration tool. You'll need a third-party service to link platforms. This guide uses a CJ dropshipping as example. Then the popular integration tools is the cjdropshipping.com. Then you can use the AutoDS, the Shopmaster, and DSers. Then link the TikTok Shop and AliExpress via CJ Dropshipping. Then go to CJ Dropshipping website and create a free account. Then here in the dashboard, go to authorization. Then click the TikTok Shop. Add a click Add Store and log into your TikTok Shop seller account in order to connect it. Do the same authorize with Aliexpress account. And here you can be asked by grant permission for order or product sync and just accept it. Then to start dropshipping, once the account are linked, import the products from AliExpress into your CJ dropshipping dashboard. And here push the products to your TikTok shop with optimized listing and prices. And when a customer's order on TikTok, the integration tool will automatically place the order in the AliExpress or fulfill it with via CJ or handle the shipping and provide tracking info. Then the benefits of integration is that it automates product listing, real-time inventory, and fast order fulfillment. And that's it. That's how simple it is to connect and use it AliExpress with TikTok Shop. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.